That tech appeal is emphasized by a pair of huge screens that dominate the cabin. The 12.3-inch instrument panel and 14.9-inch infotainment display combine almost seamlessly to look like one big, curved display. It's an impressive sight from behind the wheel. You get a wireless charge pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a range of connected services too. Build quality is top-notch. And it's very practical too, with lots of space for 5 adults to stretch out. Boot space could be a bit more generous, though. With a 500-litre capacity, there's less room for bags than you'll find in the Audi e-tron. You can choose from 3 power outputs, depending on whether you are happy with a quick car or you feel the need to warp the fabric of space and time. All 3 have an electric motor at each axle for all-wheel drive and a battery pack housed low down beneath the floor. The entry-level 326 horsepower xDrive 40 model has an official range of up to 264 miles, while the 523 horsepower xDrive 50 has a bigger battery that will see it travel up to 383 miles on a charge. If that's not quick enough for you, the 9M60 has 619 horsepower, a range of up to 349 miles, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 4 seconds. The cars have slightly different maximum charge rates, 150 kilowatts for the xDrive 40 and 200 kilowatts for the xDrive 50 and M60. But the long and short of it is that any 9 will be able to use a DC rapid charger to go from 10 to 80% capacity in less than 40 minutes. Plug in at home with a 7 kilowatts charger, and a full recharge will take up to 16 hours.